Crypto.com, CRO Coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today I want to be talking about CRO Coin because man oh man, we are seeing quite a tumble across the board for altcoins, and CRO Coin is tumbling along with it. I want to talk about some CRO Coin burns today as well, so if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Let's hop into this video. Okay, guys, so first things first, we're going to start off on the CRO Coin daily time frame. And yes, we are coming down here and testing the blue line at 0.1211, about 12 cents and some change, guys. You know, it's funny because when I zoom back here to our 4 tests of the 20-cent price level, the 1, the 2, the 3, and then the 4 with the breakdown, I was saying, you know, guys, the 4th test, usually in trading, the 4th time of testing the resistance or the 4th time of testing the support is usually one too many. And that's usually when you see the breakdown or the breakout. And, well, we saw the breakdown, but I did not expect it to truly go all the way down to here. You know, if I were to go back in time and think about this, it would make some sense. But with Bitcoin dominance where it was at, I did expect it to at least stay above, say, like 14, 15 cents. But really, in this area, there's not that much resistance except for about there, the 15-cent price level. But regardless, we broke down and we are flirting with a 12-cent price level. I do want to say, though, as long as we hold this 12-cent price level, which I think that what I expect to play out here, as long as Jerome Powell doesn't nuke the market today, I do think that we are going to see something like this play out. But if Jerome does, if he's very hawkish today and the FOMC meeting today happens and he's hawkish and he says something about raising rates or anything like that, I do expect, unfortunately, to see a flush out. Maybe we come down to, dare I even say, 9 cents and maybe even 8 cents, guys. I do think that that is possible, but let's not put the cart before the horse here. Let's see what Jerome has to say. Let's see where Bitcoin has to go and Bitcoin dominance has to go. But guys, regardless, I want to see a little bit more out of Crypto.com. I want to see some clarity on their bullish events, guys. 2025. Don't get me wrong. Throughout 2025, it's just started. Crypto.com is already delivering on many of their roadmap items, okay? The U.S. exchange, massive, guys, massive. I want to know more about the Cronos quarterly CRO Coin burns, my friends. Yes, the CRO Coin burns that you and I together, the CRO fam, after 129 days of asking about the burn proposal, we got an answer, and they said that they would implement it into their 2025 roadmap. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blacksea. I say, because I've been seeing a lot of confusion about that. I've also been seeing some people say that we don't want CRO Coin burns, and that's kind of confusing to me. So I say, some people have been saying they don't want to see a burn of CRO Coin, and that they would instead rather see Cronos incorporate new on-ramping incentives for builders. Yes, I would love that, but why not both? Why can't we burn CRO Coin? Burning CRO Coin is good, guys. There's a very, very large supply of Cronos. Very, very large. 30 billion coins, okay? Very, very large. Incentivizing people to come to the chain with rewards, yeah, that's great. But let's get a little bit deeper in here. Let me make it as clear as possible, I say. The most important marketing for a crypto project company is the price going up. And that's the elephant in the room, guys. To get builders, to get volume on the chain, you have to make the price go up. The price goes up, people come. The price goes higher, people come. It snowballs. During the bull market, people want their investment to go up. They'll talk about it. More larger influencers will talk about it. The stories will pick up, and people will come to the chain, okay? If the price goes up, new users come and the price goes higher. Exactly what I just said. The product can be the fastest, cheapest, most innovative, etc. But if the price does not go up, it is worthless in the space. And no, I'm not saying that it's worthless, but I'm saying in the eyes of new investors and investors in general, it is worthless because people come to the chain and want to use the chain after they see the price go up. They say, what's this all about? or they buy some CRO coin and the price goes up and say, let me look deeper into CRO coin. Let's check out this chain. And I wish it was the other way around. People look into the chain and say, oh, that's an interesting investment. Let me invest in that. I like what they have planned. It's not that way anymore, guys. And honestly, the people that don't think that way have been succeeding the best so far in this altcoin cycle, in this bull market, because the constant moving and shifting of the narratives have been moving so quickly. So many new coins coming out. What's the hottest new thing? Buy that. It goes up 10x. Sell it. It dumps down 90%. Okay? 99%. Go to the next thing. It goes up 10x. Same thing's happening over and over and over. It's moving very, very quickly. I've never seen the cryptocurrency space move like this. And I think it really has to do with the space maturing, and also a lot of bad actors are trying to capitalize on the liquidity. They're trying to get that liquidity and pull it out of the market and put it in their bank account. I say, but I want to say that, like, really, step one should be making the price go up. Then you give incentives to builders. Then people care about your product. It's crazy and it's unfortunate. It's not like investing in the stock market. This ecosystem, the cryptocurrency space, is completely different. Price going up is the one and only thing that matters when it comes to growing in the cryptocurrency space. Burn the CRO coin. That's what I say. Burning CRO coin, in my opinion, is the low-hanging fruit to pump CRO coin, okay? I have many other ideas about it, but burning CRO coin, if you cut the supply in half, the price is going to go up. Even if you're crypto.com and you're posting every day saying on the main page, hey guys, this month we burned X amount of CRO coin. Even if it's only like 1 million CRO, okay, out of 30 billion, or if it's only like a couple 100,000, it still will get people going. It still will get people excited. And maybe every quarter they say, hey guys, we're burning 1 billion CRO. And obviously that will have to stop eventually. But in the meantime, it will get people excited. And I've had many ideas about this. You could even have, every time people trade CRO coin, it could burn CRO. You could have the rewards that get paid out in CRO coin not be paid out in CRO coin. Or every time they get paid out, it burns a little bit of CRO. It could do that. And yes, I know that eventually you can't keep doing that, because that's why a lot of people argued, well, what happens when all of it's gone? 30 billion coins is a lot of coins, guys. It's a lot of coins. And obviously they can move it lower and lower. And guys, guess what? Fractions, okay? The fractions go into, I think, like the 16th decimal point when it comes to Bitcoin. I wonder if it can go that low for a CRO. I'm sure it can. But regardless, guys, the low-hanging fruit, in my opinion, is the CRO coin burn. And I think that would really make the price go up. And I want to know your guys' opinion. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think Crypto.com and Cronos Labs should do to make the price go up, to entice new users? Because it feels like there's a lot of sell pressure and a lot of price suppression from, well, I think that a lot of these rewards that people get paid out for their cards and whatnot, they sell immediately, and it's a lot of sell pressure. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Guys, I do want to say that the market is in a very, very interesting spot right here, and I do think that right now is a very optimal time to take advantage of this volatility in the market. So please check out the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. Guys, take advantage of this. If you want to be scalping, high leverage scalping, these quick moves, I think that is the most profitable thing to be doing right now. And guys, please leverage trade at your own risk. Scalping is for experienced traders, but I do think that it's the most profitable thing right now if you know what you're doing. Also, if you want a great on-ramping and off-ramping platform, if you want to be putting money into the cryptocurrency space or taking profit into your bank account, then download crypto.com as well, guys, in the description box or the pinned comment down below. So where's CRO right now? Sitting rank 40, down 11% in the past 7 days, down about 2.83 in the past 24 hours. You know, the entire market has been getting absolutely beaten up right now. Bitcoin dominance falling. We'll talk about that shortly. CRO coin sitting at $3.42 billion market cap. So far, all-time high for this cycle was about $5 billion, about 20 cents. I think we'll get back there, guys. But I do think that, man, oh man, this market is different. This market is much different than it was in previous cycles. I've been trading crypto for nearly a decade, guys. From what I have learned, things are a little bit different. I'm really worried about this altcoin dilution. I do think that is something to worry about, because not all these altcoins can 100x anymore. There's just not enough liquidity, especially when you look at the total crypto market cap. We're still near all-time highs, guys. But a lot of these altcoins are getting beaten up. They're getting beaten up, and we're still near all-time highs, sitting at a $3.41 trillion asset class crypto. But all these alts are down horrendous. Down horrendous. Some alts are down 70, 80%. Some of these meme coins down 90% that were supposed to be blue chip meme coins. Guys, be careful out there. Times are shifting. This is a very disruptive new technology. This market is a baby. It's only about, how many years old is it now? Probably about 14 years, 15 years old, right? 14 years, I think. It's a baby, but it's starting to mature. And as it matures, we will start to see a little bit more. Each cycle will be a little bit more different, guys. So pay attention to that. So you look at Bitcoin dominance, and we are playing with some fire, guys. We do not want to be breaking above 59.94%, this blue line. That's my line in the sand, personally. Yes, I do think we could wick above it very, very quickly. I do not want to see a wick, though. I do not want to see that, but I think it's possible, a little bit of some trappy behavior, because we are in the time of trappy price action, my friends. This is phase 3 of the bull market. Phase 3 in every bull market, always most trappy, most confusion, most volatile with the most gains. That's what I keep saying, guys, because you need to be aware of that. So when it comes to trading, when you map out your support levels and your resistance levels, give yourself some wiggle room there, because a lot of wicks are going to be happening, breaking out, trapping bulls, breaking down, trapping bears. Lots of that's going to happen. But I say I do not want to see anything above this wick, because that would indicate that we have a higher high here after this breakdown, and I do not want to see that, because if we do see that, then, guys, guess what? Bitcoin's going higher, and altcoins are going to bleed out more. That's just how it is, guys. I'm telling you how I see it. And right now, Bitcoin is at a very, very interesting place here. I want to show you this, because Bitcoin is like, it looks pretty bearish as it's rounding off like this. I do not like the rounding price action like that. Guys, you're the snake, right? Looks very snaky. And I think we're going to see a lot more of that. Not because of the year of the snake, but I do expect this for this year. I really do. Just trappy behavior. I will say, though, you know, stay above 100,000 on a daily time frame, closing basis, we're fine. Bullish price action still intact. Over on the weekly time frame, I'm really, really patiently waiting to see on Market Cipher a green dot form. And look at this. We're not below the 60 line, which is pretty incredible. I've been saying for a while, I want to see something like this play out, where we spill over below the 60, put that green dot in, and make new highs. I think that that would be an appropriate trappy thing for the market to do. But as of right now, this looks pretty bearish on Market Cipher, but like I said, the trend is still intact. Want to see us make our way back above 103,000 on the weekly, which I think is very, very possible here. And even if we don't, guys, you got to leave some wiggle room right now. Like, all you have to say and look at to know why I'm saying that is these liquidity sweeps are just insane. They're insane. So you need to be careful of that, because if you were to get rid of these wicks, you would say, oh yeah, it looks like we're about to blast off to new all-time highs. But when you talk about these liquidity sweeps, you got to be careful. There's going to be more of this. There's going to be more of this. So if you are scalping in the lower term time frames, be careful. It's very, very profitable right now, but you got to be in and out, in and out, in and out. Or if you really are just a swing trader like myself, you need to just be sitting on your hands. But that's why, regardless, guys, I've been saying it for a while. You need to be taking profits along the way, because this market, once you get closer to the top here and the price gets higher, you should be getting more and more nervous, even though altcoin season has not even happened, okay? If I don't mean to laugh, but if this was the altcoin season, are you kidding me? Man, why even trade altcoins anymore? I said it. I said that in my video yesterday. Or if you're a member and you're watching this video that I just posted, my video I just posted, I said, I'm saying, what's the purpose of trading altcoins anymore if that's all we get? If everyone's buying just Bitcoin because there's so many alts getting created that there's so much dilution and nothing can really truly get those 100x's, seeing massive inflows, but instead it's spread out. And you know, Jerome Powell as well, we'll have the FOMC meeting today. Is he going to give us quantitative easing? Because I see a lot of people arguing that that's what we need for altcoin season, which I can get behind that idea. We do not have as much free helicopter money as we did back in 2021, guys. We do not have that. This huge move to the downside was when people were getting stimulus checks, PPE loans. People were getting free money across the globe. Insane quantitative easing. Keep the market afloat. It's a lot different now, guys. It's a lot different. And, you know, I'm not trying to be a huge mega bear. I'm just trying to be transparent. I'm trying to tell you guys what I'm seeing and my opinion on this entire market right now. I do think that crypto.com is going to perform very, very well this cycle. I really am looking for these CRO burns. I really want to see more data on that. And I want to test some of these people that are saying we shouldn't have CRO burns. They should just give more incentives to builders and whatnot. A lot of those builders will probably just take that money and not really do much. That's not a recurring theme with some of these people that launch tokens and make tons and tons of money. They make all this money right away and then they stop caring. They stop building. They already got rich. What's the point? It's kind of what's going on with the Ethereum Foundation, in my opinion. I think the reason why that's not really performing that well and they're just dumping constantly is because, guys, guess what? Vitalik's already a billionaire and everyone in the Ethereum Foundation is multi-millionaires, okay? So I question you guys to really think about these CRO burns and why they will be very beneficial to Cronos and crypto.com, because supply shock, guys. It's the same reason why for the every halving we have on Bitcoin and the miners get less and less, it's a supply shock. That's what brings us up. That's a reason that brings us up. Yeah, that's all I got. If you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at 333blackc. I'll do a little bit of a giveaway. If I can get to 1,000 followers on Instagram in the next 24 hours, I'll give one of you guys $1,000. I want to give back in these times of brutal sell-offs. And as well, check out crypto.com if you want a crypto Visa card and a great on-ramping and off-ramping, and Blowfin if you want to do some high-leverage scalping or you want to buy that dip with 15% off all trading fees. That's all I got. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.